Explain to me the rap mentality of the hit him without hitting him.
A rap battle is basically having a go at your opponent without actually punching them or physically hurting them. You got to hurt them with the words.
Hurt him with the words, man.
So we've like got Kingy here, who's gay.
I'm not gay.
So I could probably say,
I'm not gay,
folks. Enough with their gay jokes, especially for coming from a gay bitch bloke like yourself. Lo.
Yeah, but
I'm so tired of being admired.
I'm not fucking gay.
Man, I'm
so
fucking.
Don't fucking start with saying you're gay. 'Cause I'm not gay. I'm not a fucking faggot.
Then.
What?
What do you do for a living?
I'm a telecoms fucking engineer. Motherfucker.
So it's basic. Do you do what? Say if like BT on this line here.
Yeah.
And some lightning strikes it.
Yeah.
You've got to come out and fix it.
Yeah.
Right.
Let's start rapping about that then. But don't call me gay, because I'm not fucking gay. I know you're trying to face